Need direction, need direction.
What are you doing?
Ay, pupunta na siya?
Gianna, that's just like all the other ones.
Go see Jay. She needs to be out in the shower.
Yeah, Joe, can you go up there and make sure she take care of her and wash her hair?
Make sure her kitty is lying.
Yeah, she should. She don't need to sit in that, but
Hurry up.
Ala, nantad na, Jolene! Lo. No, not yet. It's still 0. You can see it. See?
Akit ka na?
Hindi pa.
Julie. Tignan ko yun, no?
Grandma can play also. She doesn't see it.
Siya na,
See my arm
Dito lang yan yan.
Ha?
It's sour.
Hindi ni.
Grandma, there's no hair. No hair.
She can't see. You have to show.
Oh, sorry.
Face.
oh, it's 7 o'clock. I better go. And
There's no hair. You think that's dummy? It's not that much.
Ni grandma daw ni. Pabalikin mo na. Grandma tawag.
Hello, ma'am. Oh.
Natawagin ka. Oh.
Oh, you're closed? You're
Nag,
closed?
mag-burger ka daw.
She's closed.
Because grandma is not there, that's why. Jilana, it's baliktad. You know why? It's the oven is here. We need to put it backwards here. There you go.
But then I can't see the menu.
No, that's the oven. She's cooking. No, that's how. Oh, this is backward. Why would anybody cook this one? Cooking need to be on the other side.
Yeah.
Baliktad.
And the menu needs to be on this side.
Yeah, the food cart, but the oven need to be on the other side.
No, but no, it's yeah. No, it's supposed to be this side because this is how you're gonna turn this on and cook and stuff.
Oh. Baka yung customer na magluluto.
Bottom the customer.
There's none. It's 0. No, Ate Dong didn't give you yet.
Already done.
Asus.
hey, Jelana, I'm gonna put these back.
Itapon ko lang nga itong socks na ito, madam. Maluwag na lock.
Well, I just want. I'll take one. Are you?
There's
all done
none,
with these?
Jolene.
You're done with these, Jelana?
Akit na tayo.
No.
Ay!
Yeah. No, she's not gonna give you money now.
You're not playing with Abby.
Ito na. Customer, I want food.
Magluto muna ka ng hotdog. Lolo. There's a process. Eh. Lo.
Ang sakit mo naman magsalita.
Di mauntog sa upuan.
Ay, Jelana, this go there. Cause for the customer. Not for you.
Baliktad nga eh. Baliktad.
yung paglagyan ng customer. Adi ko man paglagyan ng lulutuin niya sa...
Baliktad lahat yan.
It's like this. No, that's how you do it!
Pabayaan nyo na.